question asks us to synthesize this product from this starting material and specifies that the minimum number of steps needed is 3 steps. There are many viable strategies to do a question like this. I like to work backward, so that's what I'm going to do here. This alcohol is an internal alcohol. There wouldn't be any rearrangement if it went through a carbocation intermediate, so I can use either of 2 possible reactions to form this alcohol. I could use the standard acid and water conditions, which is what I'll use here. I could also use the conditions of the oxymercuration. That would work as well. But I'm going to be forming this alcohol from an alkene. And I'll bring some carbon numbers back to make sure that I haven't dropped or added any carbons. This alkene between 4 and 5, when treated with acid and water, will form a carbocation on carbon 4. Water will attack, get deprotonated to form our product alcohol. That's good because now my synthesis target isn't this alcohol, now it's this alkene. If I could find a way to make this alkene, I could make this alcohol by treating it with acid and water. The alkene I could make from an alkyne. If I had an alkyne, let's go ahead and draw that in. Remembering that alkynes are linear, this would be the alkyne that I would start with. This would be a partial reduction of an alkyne to an alkene. We have 2 partial reduction conditions. One forms a cis alkene, one forms a trans alkene. This one does not have cis or trans geometry, so it doesn't really matter which one we choose. I'll use sodium and ammonia. That's good because now my synthesis target isn't this alkene, it's this alkyne. If I can make this alkyne, I can turn it into an alkene, then treat with acid and water to form the alcohol. So the question is, how do I turn this alkyl halide into this alkyne? This is a 3-carbon, well, at least as I've numbered it, we have 3 carbons here for the alkyl halide, extended out to 5 carbons for the alkyne. That looks like an alkyne addition reaction. So if I were to treat this alkyl halide with the anion of acetylene, that would do a substitution reaction where I would form a bond between carbon 3 and carbon 4, forming the alkyne that I need. These 3 steps will form this alcohol from this alkyl halide starting material.